Dogecoin, Doge, truly is a mineable coin that is as of now exchanged at $0.08512 per unit, with the market capitalization of $12.093860 that generally makes it a mid-position cryptographic money in an unpretentious manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently for the most part turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for exceptionally enormous institutional financial backers who essentially see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an especially powerful by and large fence against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Thusly, having it in every way that really matters, least a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto is essentially an unquestionable necessity for any broker and financial backer who fundamentally needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in an unpretentious manner. However, with it truly comes the need to intently follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom what is happening and in a real sense have some feeling representing things to come in an unpretentious manner. This Dogecoin cost expectation model for the most part was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, in a real sense track down the best coins or tokens to especially put resources into and certainly keep the value bend filling in a by and large significant manner. Yet, prior to diving into the inside and out Dogecoin investigation and cost forecast, we might want to for the most part help you to remember the extremely fundamental standards of cryptographic money exchanging and venture, which explicitly is very critical. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its sort of current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that especially depends on the readings of our in every practical sense restrictive crypto unpredictability record (CVIX) in an unobtrusive way. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense remains at $0.08512, and this essentially specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide digital money positioning, or so they in a real sense thought. For prettier data, the truly positioning of each and every cryptographic money really is vigorously dependent on its fundamentally current market capitalization and cost, and truly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to, which is genuinely huge. Likewise, to generally get a sort of better generally handle of the market circumstance and generally grasp the overall course of the pattern, or to basically enlist its non-appearance, it's additionally critical to break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Genuinely further appearance how yet prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to help you to remember the fundamental standards of digital currency exchanging and speculation in an unpretentious way. Yesterday, on December 2nd, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense remained at $0.083865 at the end of the truly day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 1.36% contrast when contrasted with the extremely current cost 7 days prior. On November 26, the Dogecoin market fundamentally remained at $0.0789953 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an unpretentious manner. As the outcome, the cost for the most part moved by 0%, comparable to its certainly present standing. A month prior, on November 3, Dogecoin in a real sense was valued at $0.067934, which matched with our cost expectation for that by and large specific period, in spite of mainstream thinking. Contrasted with the essentially present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 25.30% cost move, which generally is genuinely critical. At the point when it especially comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves substantially more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its sort of generally speaking ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in an unpretentious manner. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as an especially key pointer to explicitly be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, or so they for the most part thought. It sort of is determined by duplicating the very all-out number of coins that in every practical sense are as of now available for use, circling supply by the by and large current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now essentially remains at $0.08512, which truly is very critical. Considering that recipe, we in a real sense have determined the sort of current market capitalization of Dogecoin to really be at $12.093860 358, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among this kind of present on the cryptographic money market, which fundamentally is very huge. Recently, on December 2nd, the market capitalization of Dogecoin really remained at $11,913,923,197, especially keep going week. On November 26th, the fundamentally aggregate sum of exceptionally capital dedicated to Dogecoin was laid out at $11,209,769,042, the information from a month prior, enlisted on November 3rd. Sort of shows that Dogecoin in a real sense had a market capitalization of $9,624,229,158, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Absolute stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and most certainly are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders kind of cool wallets, which essentially is very huge. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, which is very huge. It can essentially measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that really is public on the financial exchange, which is genuinely huge. The complete stockpile of Dogecoin as of now sort of stands at 142,080,656,384 Doge, certainly further appearance how when it generally comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's portion or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its truly by and large prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in an especially huge manner. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply sort of is the most regularly involved extremely metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which by and large shows that so, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market. Its sort of current standings, as well as the mid-term and genuinely long-haul cost expectation, that certainly depends on the readings of our really restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in an unobtrusive way. It compares with the especially the best estimate of the genuinely by and large number of coins that truly are public on digital money trades and for the most part add to their liquidity, which truly is very critical. Their volume doesn't actually incorporate the coins that certainly are vested, marked in especially shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or really put unavailable for general use, which truly is genuinely huge. The circling supply truly is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, exceptionally further appearance how is the outcome, the cost generally moved by 0%, corresponding to its kind of present standing. A month prior, on November 3rd, Dogecoin was valued at $0.067934, which harmonized with our cost expectation for that sort of specific period. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin especially is assessed at 142,080,656,384 Doge in an unobtrusive manner. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market in a real sense added up to $540,130,450.